Hello students, let's read the question, and the question says which of the following statement is incorrect. So A statement is most abundant bacteria are heterotrophic. Next, mucor and rhizopus are the example of ascomycetes. C, Gonulex makes the sea appear red, and the last statement says archaebacteria differ from other bacteria having different cell wall structure, and this feature is responsible for their survival in extreme conditions. तो यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास की कॉन्सेप्ट क्या आ जाएगा? Characteristics of organism. Different organisms are going to have different characteristics. Let's discuss about each one of them. सबसे पहले हमारे पास आ जाते हैं बैक्टीरिया. So let's talk about bacteria. Bacteria belongs to your kingdom Monera. और kingdom Monera में हमारे पास क्या है students? There is presence of wide variety of mode of nutrition. They can be heterotrophic. They can be photosynthetic, and they can be chemosynthetic. किसी भी तरीके का हमें mode of nutrition देखने को मिल सकता है. But the most abundant one is heterotrophic mode of nutrition. सबसे ज्यादा बैक्टीरिया हमारे पास heterotrophic होते हैं. Moving to the next one, talking about mucor and rhizopus. So mucor और rhizopus are examples of, they are members of Phycomycetes. ये Phycomycetes के मेंबर हैं, नॉट Ascomycetes. तो म्यूकर और राइजोपस हमारे पास क्या है? Ascomycetes की जगह Phycomycetes के मेंबर्स हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज योर Gonulex. Gonulex is your dinoflagellate which is red in color. अब क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? ये हमारे पास रैपिड डिवीजन शो करते हैं, और रैपिड डिवीजन की वजह से जो सरफेस ऑफ सी होता है, सरफेस ऑफ सी टर्न्स रेड. कैसा हो जाएगा? रेड हो जाएगा. सो दे आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर योर रेड सी. द नेक्स्ट वन इज योर आर्केबैक्टीरिया. आर्केबैक्टीरिया हमारे पास एक्सट्रीम एनवायरमेंट्स में देखने को मिलते हैं, and they are found in your extreme environments because they have different cell wall. इनके पास different cell wall structure present होता है. Their cell wall is made up of lipids and proteins, और ना सिर्फ lipids और protein की present होती है, but they are going to have the different bonds as well. They will be different bonds. तो ये इनको extra stability provide कराता है to survive in the extreme environments. Now let's go back to the question. तो सबसे पहला हमारे पास है most abundant bacteria are heterotrophic. This is correct statement. Mucor and rhizopus are the example of Ascomycetes. No, they are the example of Phycomycetes. Next one is Gonulex makes the sea appear red. This is correct. The last statement, archaebacteria differ from other bacteria having a different cell wall structure and this feature is responsible for their survival in extreme condition. This is also correct. So the question is asking about the incorrect statement, hence the correct answer will be option B. Option B हमारे पास correct answer है. I hope it is clear to everyone. Thank you so much.